welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe it's the end of the year. We are in mid-December. I have some amazing products and then not so amazing products to share with you guys, and I thought कि मैं दोनों को एक ही वीडियो में दिखा लूँगी rather than doing like separate videos. Best and worst products that I used in 2023 in a nutshell. Before watching this video, I need you to comment right now, and you have to comment and let me know कि आपके कौन से favorite products थे and आपके कौन से not so favorite products थे इस साल में. It can be anything, to be honest. I don't have just beauty products here. I have some lifestyle products also here. So yeah, it is going to be a culmination of all of those things that I enjoyed this year and other things that I did not like. I'm not going to show all the makeup or beauty products that I liked this year because अभी मैंने एक नायका का recommendation video किया था और उसमें मैंने majority अपने सारे favorite products दिखा दिए थे except for like the high end ones. तो वो सब मैं आपको इसमें दिखाऊंगी. Okay, let's start with a very random thing that literally changed my life this year, and that is a wooden comb. Honestly, this has improved the health of my scalp. It has improved the health of my hair texture. Whenever I comb my hair using the wooden comb, so जो भी टूटे हुए बाल होते हैं या फिर जो extra layers of hair होते हैं ना, that are no longer serving any purpose, they are just there in your head, वो सब भी निकल आते हैं. Basically, you're shedding. If you have still not used a wooden comb, I would highly recommend you guys to use it, especially on dry hair. Like every single day when you comb your hair, I would say कि एक बार इससे सुबह कर लेना, उसके बाद आपको जो करना आप कर सकते हो. But yeah, this is something that I really liked this year. I actually don't have a lot of favorites. I have more like things that I did not like. Another thing that I want to quickly mention is this water bottle जो मेरे side में ही है. You guys, this water bottle from Amazon really changed my life this year because ever since I got this, I have actually started to drink water a lot more. Think I need to drink some water and then I'm just like, okay, let me take like 3 sips from this huge ass bottle. You can also keep a track of your progress. The next thing that I have is this bronzer, and this is the Bahama Mama bronzer from The Balm. So this is what it looks like. पहले ना मेरे पास इसका छोटा वाला size था, but I don't know where that went, but I just decided to get like the bigger size. I got this from Tira and I had a 1000 rupees का coupon. Like I got this for 900 rupees because ये 1900 का था, 1000 rupees का coupon इसमें लग गया. I have become a bronzer girl again. I love bronzers so much. Like face products ना मेरे बहुत favorite हो गए हैं, whether it be a blush, highlighter and bronzer, and I just love layering a lot of bronzer because it adds a lot of color and dimension to my face. So this bronzer really suits me and इसका फॉर्मूला वगैरह इतना बटरी है. एंड आई थिंक हाई एंड ब्रॉन्जर में से ना आई हैव ट्राइड हुला, आई हैव ऑल्सो ट्राइड टू फेस वाला भी बहुत अच्छा है, बट टू फेस वाला इज अराउंड 3000 रुपीज विच इज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी फॉर अ ब्रॉन्जर. बट दिस वन इज फॉर 1900. अगेन आई यूज्ड अ कूपन, सो मुझे सस्ते में मिल गया. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव बीन लविंग दीज डेज, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन कैरिंग विद मी इन माई बैग एट ऑल टाइम्स, एंड दिस इज बाय Kiro. This is the Kiro Wonder Wand Multi Stick, and I have the shade 03 Vintage Rose. This comes in 3 beautiful shades, but my favorite shade is Vintage Rose, and I feel like कि जो ऐसे rosy type के tones होते हैं ना, वो winters में especially बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगते हैं. It's what I'm wearing today as well, and I think that it really complements my look. It is infused with rosehip oil, avocado oil, and also moringa oil, and it has skincare benefits. It is suitable for all Indian skin types and skin tones. The packaging is also travel friendly, so this is what it looks like. It also comes in with this lid, so it just ensures कि आपका product इधर उधर ना लग जाए. Okay, so this is the shade 02 Apricot Crush. Honestly, I really like this shade as well. I'm gonna just apply a little bit. You can see how easily this blends. मतलब मैं तो finger से अभी थोड़ा सा blend कर रही हूँ ये. You can obviously apply it with your brush, sponge, whatever you want to, because इसका formula इतना buttery है. And you can use it on your lids, you can use it on your lips. This is why this is called a multi stick. Okay, then I have 01. This is called Pink Chiffon. This is what it looks like. So this is a cool toned pink, and I really like cool toned pink colors also. If you're super fair and if you have pink undertones, then this will look really nice on you. And now my favorite shade, which is Vintage Rose 03. Can you see how beautiful this is? This has an airy, light buildable formula. You can mix and match and make your own shade, or you can just use it on its own. So it is buildable, so you can customize it as per your liking. You can see how velvety soft the texture of this is. I really like all the 3 colors, and I hope that they come out with more colors because the formula is absolutely spot on. I will definitely link this in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, so I have some lip products that I did not show you guys in my Nykaa video, so इसलिए मैं इसमें दिखा रही हूँ आपको because I really like these products and I have to talk about them. The first one is this lip contour by Huda Beauty, and you guys, I am in my lip liner era and I absolutely love using lip liners. मैंने बहुत contemplate किया था इसको खरीदने से पहले. This is what the shade looks like. This is in the shade warm brown. Yeah, warm brown. This is for like 1900 something, which is a lot for a lip liner, but this is totally worth it. मुझे इतना अच्छा lip liner actually कहीं और नहीं मिला. मैंने बहुत सारे ट्राई किए, बट अल्टीमेटली दिस इज व्हाट सैटिस्फाइड दैट लिप लाइनर का क्रेज इन मी, एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट रिलीजियसली एवर सिंस आई गॉट दिस, एंड आई एम वेयरिंग दिस टुडे एज वेल. इसको मैं ऑलमोस्ट अपने हर लिप कॉम्बो में आई यूज इट एज माई बेस, देन आई यूज अदर लिप कलर्स. अनदर थिंग दैट आई हैव बीन लविंग इज दिस कीरो लिप स्टैक. दिस इज व्हाट आई वोर फॉर एवरी सिंगल फंक्शन फॉर स्वाति's वेडिंग. मतलब हर एक फंक्शन के लिए मैंने इनमें से कोई ना कोई कलर लगाया था या फिर इन्हीं को मिक्स एंड मैच किया था. दिस इज व्हाई आई लाइक कीरो के प्रोडक्ट्स सो मच, एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग इट बिकॉज आई वर्क विद देम, बट इन जनरल आई फील लाइक द प्रोडक्ट्स आर वेरी easy to work with and one product does a lot of things. This stack has 4 shades and all 4 shades are like right up my alley because they fall under the nude spectrum, like nude pinkish, nude peach, nude brown, and this is also something that I love to travel with because बस एक ये ले लो and I don't have to carry like 10 different lipsticks with me. Now I already shared my lipstick favorites with you guys, but I wanted to share like some of my favorite tints. Now this is the Juicy Lasting Tint by Romand and this is in the shade 23 Nucademia. I hope that I'm saying it right, but ये ना बहुत ही एक watery type का tint है. It looks really pretty and this I like to pair with my lip liner also. कितना सुंदर लगता है. I'll apply some. Right now I have like 5 different lip products on my lips. इसका formula बहुत ही ज़्यादा light है. It literally feels like nothing on your lips. You can use this without applying so many different layers. The purpose of this is to give you that no makeup look. Now coming to this one, this is again by Romand and this is the Zero Velvet Tint and this is in the shade Vintage Taupe. This literally feels like a lipstick only. वो जो creamy matte लिपस्टिक्स होती है ना, इसका फॉर्मूला बिल्कुल वैसा है. यू कैन सी अ पैटर्न राइट हियर ना. इसी टाइप के लिपस्टिक्स मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. इट डज ट्रांसफर बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट केयर अबाउट दैट बिकॉज अ लिपस्टिक इज सपोज टू बी कंफर्टेबल फर्स्ट एंड देन ट्रांसफर प्रूफ एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बिकॉज इफ द फॉर्मूला इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल एंड मुझे सारा टाइम ऐसा फील हो रहा है दैट माई लिप्स फील एक्सेसिवली ड्राई एंड इट्स मेकिंग माई लिप्स पील ऑफ, देन क्या फ़ायदा उसका ट्रांसफर प्रूफ होने का. इफ़ यू हैव वेरी क्रैक्ड dry lips like me, you will really like this. I'm planning to buy more shades in this in the future, not at the moment. Another lip product that I have to give a shout out and I think this is the only product जो मैंने पहले भी आप लोगों को 10 बार दिखाया होगा, and this is by Blue Heaven and this is the Blue Heaven Jelly Butter. Basically it's a lip, क्या बोलते हैं, lip balm, but this is what it looks like. And you guys, I have used this up और मेरे पास बस इतना सा बचा है. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. एंड मैंने डस्टी रोज का पूरा यूज़ कर लिया है. इट ओनली हैज़ दिस मच प्रोडक्ट लेफ्ट. क्रेजी. लुक एट दैट. Let's talk about my love for this body wash and this is by Pears. I had to talk about this because this truly changed the game for me. Ever since I got this, I have been looking forward to take a bath every single day, which is new because it's winter and winter में किसी को नहाने का मन नहीं करता. I'm honestly obsessed with the way this smells. Like I cannot get enough. And आपको इतना बड़ा bottle मिलता है for 425 rupees, but you will definitely get it on discount. Now next is this Victoria's Secret Lavender and Vanilla Relax Fragrance Mist. ये मैंने बैंकॉक जाते टाइम खरीदा था एंड एवर सिंस आई गॉट दिस आई बीन यूजिंग दिस सो मच. लाइक आई थिंक दिस इज माई मोस्ट वोन मिस्ट ऑफ द ईयर एंड यू कैन सी हाउ मच आई हैव यूज्ड. आई हैव टू रीपरचेज दिस. दिस स्मेल्स सो गुड. मतलब इसका ना इसका वनीला एंड लैवेंडर का जो एक मिक्स है, इट्स परफेक्ट बिकॉज नन ऑफ द सेंट्स ऑन इट्स ओन overpowers the other one. and मेरे कपड़ों से ना constantly वो एक अच्छी सी fragrance आती रहती है, so I really like that. so this is the next thing and I also have a body oil from Victoria's Secret, the pomegranate and lotus. एक तो मुझे इसका पैकेजिंग इतना ज़्यादा क्यूट लगता है. even for this I really like the packaging. this is literally the perfect oil for your body if you have dry skin at the same time you don't like चिपचिपा कुछ भी ऐसे oil या फिर लोशन वगैरह नहीं होते जो बहुत ही स्टिकी होते हैं. माई बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन लाइफ इज स्टफ दैट मेक्स माई बॉडी स्टिकी एंड ऐसे चिप वो फीलिंग आई हेट इट सो मच. लाइक आई कैन नॉट स्टैंड दैट फीलिंग. सो इफ यू आर समवन लाइक दैट you will really like this oil because you need the tiniest bit of amount and you can spread it all over your body. It will moisturize your body for like a long period of time. Whenever I use this I've seen कि एक दिन तक तो मेरा बॉडी बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज रहता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे मिड ऑफ द डे में दोबारा मॉइस्चराइजर लगाने की जरूरत पड़ रही है. सो या I've been really enjoying this and I had to recommend this. And the last product that really changed my life this year is this by Care Smith, and this is their bikini trimmer. And shaving is fine, especially if I'm going to wear like swimwear and stuff, but क्योंकि मैं regular basis पे वो नहीं पहनती हूँ, but I still want to be groomed and trimmed, so this really saved my life. It did not irritate my skin at all. This is the first time I used a trimmer and I did not have any expectations from it, but this worked out so well that I'm so happy that I got my hands on this. And this was much cheaper than the other trimmers that I saw, so I was like, काम करेगा नहीं करेगा पता नहीं, but actually it worked really well and I'm really happy that I got it. हमारी भी क्या life है ना, we have to like constantly think about hair removal, and honestly it does not matter, it's just body hair, but because I am so conditioned, like we all are so conditioned ना बचपन से ही कि अब उसको ना unwire करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But anyway, that was my little rant. Now let's talk about the products that I did not like, because I'm a born hater. I love talking about things that I don't like. So this styrofoam, whatever the hell, ये जो curls के लिए होता है, I absolutely hate this. Now I use this, okay? I use this and it made no difference. My hair was as straight as possible the next day when I opened this up, and मैं इतना ज़्यादा disappointed थी ना कि मैं words में नहीं आपको बता सकती, क्योंकि मैंने जितने लोगों के videos देखे हैं ना इसमें, everyone just wakes up with like these really nice voluminous curls and it looks like a fresh blowout and all of that, but it did not do anything. Maybe this product is faulty, because it can't be ना कि बाकी लोगों के hair में वो curls हो रहे हैं and मेरे बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा. Like my hair did not have any sort of change. एक wave तक नहीं आया, curl तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So yeah, this really disappointed me. I got this from Amazon like a while ago and I still have it. I don't know what to do with it. If you have used this and you've been successful, let me know कि आपने इसको कैसे use किया. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. So this is the first disappointing product. The second one is, okay, let's just talk about this. This is called Slick Up and this is for your baby hair. Now I do use it and I have a love-hate relationship with this. I like the concept, but the thing is कि इससे ना जब भी मैं अपने baby hair वगैरह पीछे करती हूँ ना, it is not like long lasting. I use this and then within 1 hour or 2 hours now my hair is back to normal. You can see all my baby hair, everything is like frizzy again. It is supposed to hold your hair for a longer period of time. The wand is just like a mascara. I don't know इसके अंदर क्या है, but इसको मैं जब भी यूज़ करती हूँ ना, यहाँ से मेरे बाल निकल ही आते हैं. मैंने अभी इसको अपने हेयर लाइन पे यूज़ किया है and literally within like 2 hours my hair will be back to normal. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to work, but I just find it annoying because it's not like मैं सारा टाइम बाहर जाके भी अपने बालों में बार बार ये wand चलाती रहूँगी. I mean that is just annoying. So yeah, this is why I did not like it. I like the concept, but I wish that the formula would be more long lasting. Now let's talk about a very overhyped product that I absolutely don't like. I've tried making it work, it does not work, and this is the Rare Beauty concealer. This concealer again, I like how this blends on my hands. Like यहाँ पे अगर मैंने लगा के इसको blend किया तो ये बहुत अच्छे से blend हो जाएगा, but for some reason it does not work well on my face. It is very patchy and it creases under my eyes like anything. So I don't know, for the price it's not worth it, because my Lakme concealer works better, my L'Oreal concealer works better, and those are for what, like 400-200 rupees. Like are you kidding me? Even Swiss Beauty का concealer इससे better है. इसका packaging वगैरह बहुत cute है, सब कुछ सही है, but इसका formula क्या होना चाहिए था and ये क्या निकला. Like it does not even have a lot of coverage, I feel, because after I apply it I have to apply another concealer so that I get a decent amount of coverage. So I don't see the point of it. Like for the price it should be a very very good like foolproof type of concealer, but it's not. And the next product that is so overhyped again, this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, whatever. A lot of people use this in their skincare. A lot of people use this before they do their makeup. I'm literally telling you, this is no different than the L'Oreal hyaluronic acid. I feel like the L'Oreal Paris hyaluronic acid is a lot better than this Glow Recipe ka watermelon juice. It's an overpriced serum for your face. That is about it. And I don't get the hype. Like इसको लगा के my face just looks like I've applied hyaluronic acid serum, but I do feel like the hyaluronic acid serum makes my skin more plump and more glowy. Now I have the Conscious Chemist ka, this is the under eye treatment serum. First of all, the packaging is so cheap. इसका sticker पूरा निकल गया था। फिर मैंने इसको यहाँ पे ऐसे ग्लू किया सो दैट आई नो कि ये क्या प्रोडक्ट है। इसको अंडर आइज पे मैं कितना भी घिस लूँ ना, इससे barely कोई प्रोडक्ट निकल रहा है। लाइक यू कैन सी, लाइक आई एम रियली ट्राइंग हार्ड। हाउ हार्ड am I supposed to ram this in my eye socket for the product to come out, and I'm not going to do that because eyes are sensitive. ऐसा नहीं है 100 रुपीज़ का था, so I can just be like चलो 100 रुपये का, yeah I can let it go. But yeah, I was so disappointed क्योंकि मैं प्रोडक्ट ट्रीटमेंट तक तो पहुंची ही नहीं, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट ही नहीं निकल रहा। जितनी बार मैंने लगाने की कोशिश की, आई एम जस्ट लेफ्ट with disappointment because I'm just like nothing is coming out of this. Like how is that possible? The next product that I have is this by Etude House, and this is a lip and eye remover. I got this with like a lot of hopes. मैंने आज तक जितने भी Etude House के products ट्राई किए ना, I have not really liked any of them. Even the lip tints are like okay. I feel like Romand has better lip tints. Anyway, coming to this eye remover, eye and lip remover, this is so freaking oily. It does take off the makeup, but because it makes my face so heavy and oily, I don't reach out for this. Speaking of a lip liner that I absolutely did not like is this by Lamel. East Asia में ना dark color का कुछ भी मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. I got the darkest shade of the lip liner because मुझे लगा था कि ये इस shade का होगा. Can you see the dark brown? And swatch भी dark brown का ही था. But this is the shade. This will wash me out. Like I don't even know किसके लिए ये shades है, and बाकी के shades इससे भी lighter है. So these shades are just for very pale skin tones. And this is why I have an issue with a lot of East Asian makeup products because they only cater to fair skin tones and they're obsessed with white skin. And when you make products only for like super white skin with pink undertones, then you will get darker shades like this, which make no sense because this will wash out like literally 80% of Indian skin tones and 80% of East Asian skin tones as well. I am just like very annoyed by the entire shade range, and I'm not going to use their complexion products and stuff because if you are going to have two shades, then you don't cater to me anyway, so why should I buy anything from your like collection. Okay, next product जिससे मुझे बहुत high hopes थे. Like this is a perfume which was the highest rated perfume of last year. Can you believe it? And this is by Glossier, and this is Glossier You. Like I don't know if I am the problem because a lot of these perfumes just don't want to last on me at all. इसको लगा के ये dissipate हो जाता है. So there are no remnants, and ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आपके कपड़ों में रह जाएगा, कुछ भी नहीं. मतलब लगा के 5 मिनट बाद nothing. It's as if I have not used any perfume. This has a very soft, barely there type of fragrance, but इसका staying power इतना बुरा है कि वो barely there scent भी नहीं रहता है. It's just not there. Okay, let's talk about a sunscreen. This is the UV silicone sunscreen. This is literally the worst sunscreen that I've ever used. I'm not even like over exaggerating. This is truly the worst sunscreen I've used. I've never used something so heavy, so oily, so sticky. This was such a bummer, and I have so much product left. Actually मैंने अंकिता के लिए लिया था, उसी ने मुझे बोला था कि उसको ये sunscreen पसंद है. It just sits like a layer on top of my face. This is a broad spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. So वैसे तो इसमें सब कुछ है that will keep your skin protected and safe and all of that. But because the formula is horrible, I just cannot use this. Like that is torture. Okay, let's talk about the last product that I did not like using this year, but I did use it a lot of times. Now this is supposed to be part of another video that I'm filming. This is by Clay Co. Dot, and this is the Purifying Matcha Clay Mask. The packaging super cute, and this is what it looks like. I've given it so many chances because I was like maybe अभी नहीं तो कभी next time काम करेगा, but करते करते ना 6-7 महीने निकल गए and अभी तक ये काम नहीं किया. So if it has not worked till now, it is not going to work on me. If it's a good clay mask, you will feel that your pores are cleaner and it will help remove like blackheads and whiteheads from your nose and stuff. My face literally looks the same, feels the same. I actually have to go in with a face wash to remove all of this from my face, and yeah, that is why I don't like this. Now let's talk about another thing that I forgot to share in the products that I love, and that is jewelry. This year jewelry had a chokehold on me. This is basically the Magic Shop necklace. It has a crescent, it has a star, and here it says Magic Shop. So it is so pretty, and I thought कि बहुत सही लगेगा. My heart earrings and just my hoops and everything. I think I've worn jewelry in every single video that I did this year, which says a lot about me because I was never a jewelry girl, and because I don't like to overdress. I think जब भी मैं ऐसे plain कपड़े भी पहनती हूँ ना, just a little bit of jewelry really makes me look more put together and it makes me happy. पहले मैं jewelry नहीं पहनती थी because ज्वेलरी पहन के मुझे कुछ फील नहीं होता था, बट आई थिंक नाउ व्हेन आई वेयर ज्वेलरी आई फील प्रिटियर एंड आई फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. सो आई हैव माय ज्वेलरी बॉक्स, आई हैव ऑल ऑफ दीज ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी पीसेस एंड आई विल डू माई डेंटी ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन. उसके लिए मुझे बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आए थे जब मैंने पूछा था लास्ट वीडियो में, सो डोंट वरी, दैट इज कमिंग वेरी वेरी सून. ओके, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सम रैंडम थिंग्स दैट आई रियली लाइक दिस ईयर. एंड बुक्स, आई हैव गॉन बैक टू रीडिंग बुक्स एंड अब ना मैंने फिजिकल बुक्स खरीदने शुरू कर दिए है, बिकॉज पहले मैं अपने फोन के किंडल में पढ़ती रहती थी एंड माई होल पर्पस वॉज टू रिड्यूस माई स्क्रीन टाइम. बट बिकॉज मैं बुक्स ही फोन पे पढ़ती थी, सो इट लिटरली हैड नो पर्पस. सो आई स्टार्टेड टू बाय बुक्स एंड आई हैव अ लिटिल लाइब्रेरी हियर. आई विल शो यू गाइस अ पिक्चर ऑफ दैट. द बुक दैट आई एम रीडिंग राइट नाउ इज कॉल्ड द थर्सडे मर्डर क्लब. This is a whole series and I also have Red, White and Royal Blue. इसका actually मैंने 50% Kindle में पढ़ लिया था, but then I just stopped reading it. But now I'm going back to reading this and I will complete this. I don't read motivational books. I don't want to read anything about mental health or life and all of that. I just want an escape. This is why I read. I'm not a big romance reader anymore. I only like sports romance. Ice hockey, sports romance का जो genre है, I think that is superior. But yeah, you get it. If you have like recommendations of those kinds, let me know. I want to do a proper sit down video about like this year. If you guys want to hear me talk and you want me to talk more in depth about these things and also music, shows, this and that, just all of that, let me know, because I think मुझे बैठ के एक ऐसे proper video करनी चाहिए just to like say goodbye to 2023, because 2023 was a pretty decent year. I would give 2023 a solid 4.5 out of 10, which might not be a lot in your opinion, but considering मेरे पिछले at least 5 साल minus में थे, 4.5 is like a good jump. I would not say that this year totally sucked, and that is actually progress, but overall I just have so much to say about this year and I don't think कि मैं इस वीडियो में वो सब रैप कर पाऊंगी. That is just a separate video altogether. So if you want me to do a chit chat video, let me know, I will do that. And I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave all of your suggestions, recommendations in the description in the comments down below, and check out all the links in the description box below. I hope that the rest of the year is wonderful for you all and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.